How to delete Hotmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can delete your Hotmail account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and then type in hotmail.com. So as you can see, now you are directed to the outlook.com, since Hotmail is now known as Outlook, which is also provided by the Microsoft. So you will be taken into outlook.com, but your Hotmail account is same as your Outlook account. Now to delete your Outlook account, if you're already logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From this pop-up box, head towards My Microsoft account and click on it. You'll be taken into different views. Here, select your account. So once you are here, navigate to your left hand side. From these options here, click on your info. Now once you get to your info page, scroll down a bit and there is an option as close account, click on it. Now onto this page again, scroll down a bit and head towards this option as close account. After that, you can go through this information given here. Here it says, just in case you change your mind, we wait, and there is a drop down here that lets you select the date. If you click on it, you have two options, whether you want to go with the 30 days or 60 days. If you click on 30 days, and here it says, we wait 30 days before we permanently close your account. During this time, this account is marked for closure, but it still exists. To reopen your account during this time, you will need to provide your identity using your current account security info. So if you again relog in within the 30 days, your account will not be deleted, but you have a time period of 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So keep that thing in your mind. After that, click on next. Here you have various terms and agreements. You have to click on this option. Here it says, I confirm that I understand after 30 days recoverable period, I will permanently lose access to the site, services and data associated with Microsoft account, and I have reviewed the effects of closing an account. So you can review all of these options here and make sure you type in all of this given tick marks here, and also go through these options carefully. So once you're done with that, here is a drop down that lets you select the reason. Click on the drop down and select the reason that suits you. Once you're done, click on Mark Account for Closure. And here it says your account will be closed. You can reopen this account, preventing the closing by signing in with 30 days. So if you again sign in back within the 30 days, your account will reopen. But after 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. And that's it. That's how you delete your account or your Hotmail account. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.